Hello and welcome back to the Beer Dog Reviews. As always, I'm Chris and today we're going to be looking at another beer from the Camden Town Brewery. This time it's their Pale Ale. As you can see, it's got the standard Camden Town camera up there. Nothing major. Nice simple design, but effective I find. And there it is. This one, 330ml can. Bought this one in Sainsbury's. It's £2 for the can. And it comes in at 4%. So let's have a look and see what they say. The malts they've used are Pilsner, Wheat, Light Crystal and Munich. It's quite a range there I find. It's California ale yeast. And the hops, the kettle hops are Pearl, Citra and Simcoe. And then the dry hopping is from Simcoe and Citra. So that should be quite nice, I fancy. They say, we love our American cousins, but sometimes they can be kind of full on. So we've crafted this beer to more British tastes. Made with American hops, it's still got all the punch of a pale ale, just less shouty. So, let's have a look, shall we? Like I say, 4% for a 330ml can. Should be a nice little drop. Let's get it out and into the glass. Ooh, very lively I find. It's been sat down for quite a while, so it shouldn't be too bad, but there we are. I have had it in the fridge just for a little bit, just to take the edge off. Right, well, I've not had this with a Camden ale before, but you know, it will happen from time to time. Just dripping on the dog there a little bit, but that's condensation, not beer. Just let that one settle. We can have a look at the colour whilst we're waiting. It's a nice gold colour. Perfectly clear beer. And that clarity there. No haze whatsoever. So far we've got a 2 finger head, so actually that's not too bad really, is it? See if we can get the rest out. It's not often I get this with a 330, but now that's not too bad, to be fair. So you've got 2 to 3, should be a 2 I think, if it hadn't, I think it must have jiggled around a bit as I brought it home, but I think it would have settled by now, but it's not a big problem. So we'll say it should be a 2 finger head. It's a nice clean and crisp white head, apart from the top where it is a bit too lively. Quite a compact head actually. Nice small bubble in there. It's not too carbonated either. So it's quite light looking. Certainly looks okay. Ooh, yeah, you're definitely getting that citrus aroma. There's a grapefruit in there. And nice fleshy blood orange. Just what you want from a nice pale, I find. That does look good. It smells good. Not getting too much malt on the aroma, so hopefully we won't get that on the taste either. I think, looking at it, we might be down to the point where we can top it off. We can hope. That's not too bad now, is it? That's a bit better. Look at that. And there you have it. That's the Pale Ale from Camden Town Brewery. Nice looking beer. See what it tastes like. Ooh. It's got a really zesty front end to it. Definite grapefruit in there. It's white grapefruit, which is absolutely really refreshing, crisp and clean. It's lovely. There's no heavy malt on the middle, and a really nice bitterness coming on the back end there. It's so refreshing. No. Yeah, 4%. It's not bad at all. There we go. That gets that all out. So, my apologies for my atrocious pouring there. But we got it all in the end. Lovely looking beer, that one. I think you have to agree with me on that. That is stunning. Let's bring it up a bit closer. That. It's a nice gold colour. Absolutely perfectly clear. Good head. Holding well despite the low carbonation level. That is stunning. Let's get it down a bit. There's a bit of spice in there as well. There's a slight hint of coriander, which is absolutely lovely. And now that it's a bit settled, you can see that lovely lacing on the glass. As I wash it round, you can look at the way the beer just rolls through the glass. That is absolutely stunning. What a nice beer. Okay, the £2 price point might put some people off. I do think some of the supermarkets have been a bit better than others at bringing in more beers on this craft beer revolution, and Sainsbury's unfortunately is one of those that have not quite picked up the craft beer ball and ran with it. But yeah, it's very enjoyable. Like I say, £2 at Sainsbury's. A nice, easy drinking beer. Very drinkable, very sessionable. It's got lovely aroma, good taste. It's a good looking beer with good lacing. What more do you need, really? Oh, there it is. Cheers to you all. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down there. And do check out some of my other videos. I have reviewed some other Camden beers. And if you do like my videos, do give me a subscription if you want to. As always, I've been Chris. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all again next time. Happy drinking.